What's going on, guys? Peter here with One Guy One Globe, and today I'm going to be giving you a hotel review on where I stayed at in Moncton, which is the 4 Points by Sheraton right here. So welcome to the 4 Points by Sheraton in Moncton. I got upgraded from a regular king room up to a suite when I arrived, and so let's do the room tour. So when you first walk in, it just instantly is opened up. Off to your left, you have this setup space for looking at yourself in the mirror once you're getting ready. And then off to the right is the bathroom, which we'll come back to in a minute. So at this point, it breaks off into the bedroom as well as the living room and kitchenette area. So we're gonna go into the bedroom. Once you step into the bedroom, you realize this nice big king size bed with the wardrobe onto the side here, which gives you both your in-room safe as well as your bathrobes and extra pillow and some linen. Moving back over into the living room, we have a large couch, small little kitchen table, as well as a small kitchenette. So the best part about this room that I think I'm gonna not want to leave for this room is gonna be in the bathroom. The bathroom is almost the size of the bedroom itself.
So on your next trip to Moncton, New Brunswick, consider staying at the 4 Points by Sheraton as well. Smashing that like button, it really helps me know that I'm bringing helpful and informative travel related information to you. As well, please consider subscribing for future videos every Tuesdays and Saturdays. And I'll see you all in the next one.